Okay. Last night, the girls and I set the trap out because something was getting in our trash. This morning, we come to check it, and there is a real skunk in our trap. I am, of course, afraid to try to let him go, because he'll spray me, but he seems to be pretty docile, pretty nice, yeah. So I figure if I'm going to get sprayed, I'm going to have it on camera. He let me open the trap before, a couple minutes ago, but I didn't have anything to secure it open with, so I had to close it back. So now I hope he's going to let me open it again without spraying me. Okay, stop making a bunch of movements and noise, okay? Kind of spooking him a little bit. Alright, here goes. Hey, buddy. Hey. Okay, stay calm. Stay calm. Stay calm. Over here. Don't spray me. Don't spray me. Go over here. Whew. I did it. I did it. Now he's got an opening so that he can go ahead and leave if he turns around and sees it. But he doesn't even know that it's there. But maybe if I come over here. Come here. Over here. Over here. Over here.
What's something that he would want? What's something that he would want?
I don't know. I mean, when you're trapped like that, you don't.
Only your survival.
Yeah, you just want to be not trapped.
Oh, we're giving him that food.
He just doesn't know it. Over here, squirrel. Do it. There he goes. There he goes. Okay, I'm gonna get out over here. No, right here. Right here, babies. Right here. Look. Look, yeah. You're on camera. Maybe he likes it in there. Right here, sweeties. Come here. He ate all his food and he pooped. So he's a little comfortable. He seems he seems more tame than any cat we've ever caught. You know, or possum or anything.
Here, I would want camera.
Okay, how about this, Mama? How about I swat the back of the cage and run?
You're crazy.
Okay, open that door for me. Ooh, he smells very musty. Bring it what, Kira? Bring it what? In the house? You know that in where, Kira? In where? You know, if he sprays, if he's in this house, if he sprays,
I wonder if he's still going to be there for the whole day.
okay, look out. rearing his butt. Come on, squirrel. Squirrel. Why do I keep saying squirrel? Come over here. Come here. Over here, Skunky. Over here, Skunky. Look, freedom. Freedom. Come here, squirrel. Skunk. Come here, skunk. Come here, skunk. I can't believe you're sitting there looking at an open door. And you're just sitting there. He's cool looking. Come on, Skunky. It's okay. Don't spray me, please. Please don't spray me. Please don't spray me. I wonder if you're tame. Yeah. I don't know. He's not acting like any trapped animal I've ever seen. It spooks me every time he acts. Every time he gets real scared. Come here. Come here. Come here. Any what? No, they don't eat lettuce, honey. They eat bugs and people's trash. Cat food. We can try it. Maybe he just doesn't want to walk on his poop or something. He pooped a couple of times. Here you go. Don't spray me. Don't spray me, okay? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. No, not over there. Over here. No. How are you going to get out? Get your water bottle. No, that'll get him. You never caught an animal and you couldn't get out. Has lemon in it, Mama? Huh? Looks kind of cloudy. Huh?
I don't know.
Stop!
He's gonna get mad.
He's gonna spray you. Stop!
I want him to just...
He's a friendly guy.
There he goes.